Come test drive the 2017 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.